Milesight currently has no plans to develop LoRaWAN smart meters, neither electrical, water, or other types. Instead, we advocate for retrofitting existing traditional meters with cost-effective IoT solutions to enable LoRaWAN connectivity and data visibility without full replacements. Here's a simple breakdown of how to upgrade different types of meters to LoRaWAN networks. First up, pulse output water meters. These non-electric powered meters come with a built-in reed switch and magnet, making them super easy to hook up to LoRaWAN. Just slap on an EM300-DI or UC51X controller. No extra parts needed. It's a low-cost and straightforward way to go wireless. And sometimes you may have traditional mechanical water meters. These old-school meters don't have any digital output at all. You're stuck reading numbers manually. Technically, you could add a pricey external module with a reed switch and magnetic pulse, and connect it to a UC controller. But honestly, it's cheaper to replace the meter first with a pulse output version, then upgrade to LoRaWAN. Save cash, skip the headache. And finally, for industrial meters with RS485. If your fancy meters already speak Modbus over RS485, you're in luck. Plug and play with UC100, 300, or 500 controllers. They grab data via Modbus and shoot it over LoRaWAN. Zero extra parts, instant smart meter. For electrical meters or water meters that generate pulse outputs, the EM300-DI sensor can be deployed. For example, one of our clients in Sydney faced a challenge monitoring a remote water meter in their warehouse where traditional wiring wasn't an option. So our partner Contact Automation installed the EM300 pulse counter paired with the UG56 LoRaWAN gateway for remote wireless data transmission. A semiconductor factory in Houston was stuck with old-school sensors that couldn't wirelessly report data, like the ones monitoring humidity in their electrical cabinets. To fix this, they rolled out a smart upgrade. Firstly, for the real-time monitoring of critical systems, some UC300 controllers were installed to hook up to their existing equipment, such as connected to acid waste neutralization systems via Modbus for tracking the potential of hydrogen and parts per million values. And some UC controllers are connected to dew-point sensors that use 4 to 20 milliampere analog signals, sending alerts if water pools in areas that should stay bone dry. Next, for fuel and water tracking, they place 5 pieces of EM300-DI near fuel flow sensors to count pulses and calculate fuel usage. Added EM500 pipe pressure sensors on the main water line, using T-connectors to watch for pressure drops or spikes catching leaks or blockages fast. For retrofitting meters with Modbus protocols over serial interfaces, the UC100, UC300, and UC500 controllers are an excellent choice. In Italy, over 100 residential buildings needed a wireless electricity and heat monitoring system. Running cables wasn't an option. In short, the new system needs to be wireless, reliable, and compatible with existing Niagara controllers. So our partner, OpenSense, deployed over 100 units of UC100 controllers and 84 units of UG56 LoRaWAN gateways. The UC100 controllers collected data via Modbus from multimeters and heat meters, and the gateways support data integration into the building management system via supported BACnet to IP protocol. Here's how a tiny Colombian village slashed water waste without digging up a single pipe. Imagine tracking water tanks in mountains with zero cell signal. Leaky pipes drained 30% of their supply. Manual checks, a day-long hike for a 5-minute reading. Budget, tight as a drum. So the right solution is LoRaWAN-based sensors. EM500 submersible water level sensors were tossed into water tanks to measure levels, rain or shine, last 10 years on a battery. UC501 controllers were hooked to flow meters via RS485 for Modbus communication, sending data via LoRaWAN even in the boonies. UG56 gateway was a solar-powered base station that relays data to the cloud from the middle of nowhere. Milesight cloud dashboard shows tank levels, leaks, and flows in real time. No hiking required. So why replace when you can upgrade? The UC100, UC300 controllers, and EM300-DI, all of them are designed for meter upgrades. Then what's the difference? Number one, the interface type. The UC100 controller features the RS485 interface only, so it converts Modbus protocol to LoRaWAN or to Milesight D2D, vice versa. While UC300 features more industrial interfaces, besides the RS485, the industrial port RS232, digital input and output, analog input including 0 to 10 voltage, 4 to 20 milliamps, PT100 RTD temperature monitoring are all available in UC300. Number two, the technology. UC100 utilizes the LoRa to build Modbus data collection and long-distance data transmission. While UC300 features LoRaWAN or a SIM card for cellular connection, it works perfectly in 4G or 3G network, if that is what you are looking for. Well, with Milesight EM300-DI, you can turn dumb pulse meters into data powerhouses. The UC controller series is designed to monitor and control third-party wired devices, like legacy meters and sensors via LoRaWAN or cellular networks. Whether you need one for indoor or outdoor use, there's a model to suit your needs. Feel free to check out the rest, and let me know if you need any more information.